Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the front of the debit card. The primary account number is usually 13 to 19 digits long. First, wipe the surface clean and remove glare. Hold the card at an angle under a bright lamp to reveal embossed or faint printed numbers. Once you can see the sequence, compare it to any mailed paperwork or your bank app to confirm it matches. Make sure to avoid revealing digits in public. You need a private, well-lit area for accurate reading. Next, use simple tools when digits are faint. A magnifying glass or a smartphone macro camera helps. Place the card on a dark, matte background and tilt slowly while viewing. The contrast reveals shallow embossing. If photographing, disable flash to avoid glare and take multiple close-ups at different angles so you can zoom in. Once visible, verify the first 6 issuer digits and the last 4 against your bank statement. This confirms the full number without guessing missing digits. Finally, record the number securely. Use an encrypted password manager or write only the last 4 digits where needed, and never store the full number in plain text. If the card number is too worn or incomplete, contact your bank and request a replacement card. Banks can issue a new number quickly. If you run into trouble seeing digits, try different lighting and tools first. If that fails, a replacement is the safest option to prevent errors or potential fraud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.